Let me guess. You're tired of falling behind. Tired of scrolling through Instagram while your unfinished assignments haunt you in the background. Tired of watching other people ace their exams while you're stuck, reading the same paragraph 10 times in a row. Well, good news. Because starting today, you're not going to be that person anymore. You're about to become what I call an academic weapon. Someone who shows up prepared, focused, and deadly when it comes to school. Not next year, not after your finals. In 7 days. This is a transformation, not a tip list. So if you're ready to stop playing school on easy mode, let's go. Day 1. The switch. Here's the truth. Most students don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because they never decide to take school seriously. So day 1 is simple. You flip the switch. You stop treating school like a boring chore and start treating it like a game you're here to win. Every elite athlete trains to win. Every soldier trains to survive. You're training to dominate. So here's your new identity. I'm not here to pass. I'm here to perform. Say it out loud. Say it until it feels real. This is the moment everything changes. Day 2. Build the war room. A weapon is only as good as the environment it's stored in. So today you're creating your war room, your personal study environment where focus lives and excuses die. Here's what it needs. A clean, distraction-free desk. No snacks, no clutter, no chaos. A chair you don't slouch in. A light source that doesn't make you feel like you're studying in a dungeon. Your tools, pens, laptop, highlighters, flashcards, organized and ready. And finally, your phone. Gone. Far away. Or locked in focus mode. Because if you try to study in the same place you game, binge, or scroll TikTok, your brain will never take you seriously. Build the space, respect the space, and you'll start showing up different. Day 3. Fix the way you study. Real talk, 90% of students waste hours studying and still bomb the test. Why? Because they confuse time with effectiveness. Highlighting, passive. Rereading, passive. Watching other people study, passive. Here's the strategy that actually works. Active recall. Step 1. Study a concept. Step 2. Close your notebook. Step 3. Write or say everything you remember. Step 4. Check your notes. Fill in the gaps. Yes, it's hard, that's the point. Struggling to remember strengthens the memory. Want to go next level? Create your own mock quiz at the end of every topic. Weapons don't review. They train to recall under pressure. Day 4. Weaponize your time. Let me ask you something. How many hours have you actually studied this week? Not sat at your desk. Not had a textbook open. I mean real, deep, intentional studying. If the number makes you cringe, good. Because day 4 is where we fix that. You don't need 8 hours a day. You need 2 to 3 hours of focused, tactical work. Try this. Every morning, write 3 things you must complete academically. Block off 90-minute time windows. No phone, no distractions, no switching tabs. Take a 10-minute break. Stretch, move, then hit another round. You don't manage time. You own it. That's how top students get results while others are too busy. Day 5. Make the material yours. There's a huge difference between knowing something and owning it. Today, you become the teacher. Because when you can teach something, you don't just understand it. You've mastered it. Try the Feynman technique. Pick a topic you just studied. Explain it out loud, like you're teaching it to a 12-year-old. If you can't explain it clearly, go back, learn it better, and try again. Do this until you sound like an expert. Then you're ready for any test. Knowledge isn't power. The ability to use knowledge, That's power. Day 6. Simulate pressure. Exams don't care how hard you studied. They care how well you perform under pressure. So stop waiting for test day to feel that heat. Create it yourself. Here's how. Set a 25-minute timer. Open a past paper or make 5 tough questions. Go. No notes, no excuses. Just you versus the clock. Then review. Not just right or wrong. Why did you miss it? Where was the weakness? Every question is a weapon sharpening your instincts. Pressure builds diamonds or breaks the weak. You choose which one you are. Day 7. Kill motivation forever. This is it, the last day of your 7-day transformation. But here's the truth. If you stop here, you'll slide back to where you started. Motivation will not save you. Discipline will. And discipline comes from systems. So here's your permanent academic weapon operating system. Number 1, Weekly Command Center. Every Sunday, spend 20 to 30 minutes setting up your week. You answer these 3 questions. What's your number 1 learning goal? Which 3 tasks are your non-negotiables? What's 1 distraction you'll eliminate this week? Write them down. Post them where you'll see them daily. 2. Same start every day. Clear your desk. Review your top 3 tasks. Eliminate your main distraction immediately. 3. Sacred study blocks. Keep your deep work sprints sacred. No, just a quick check on your phone. When you're in, you're all in. 4. Nightly shutdown. Before bed, answer, what did I execute well today? What will I execute first tomorrow? 5. Recovery protocol. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Move daily. Eat like your brain matters. Because it does. The system means you no longer ask yourself, do I feel like studying? You just execute. Every day. Automatically. Because once you've trained like this for long enough, it stops being something you do. It becomes who you are. And that's the final step. You're not a better student now. You're an operator in the academic battlefield, an academic weapon, built to perform, built to win. Now listen closely. You've just completed the transformation. So here's what I want from you. No more, I'll try. No more, I don't feel like it. No more hiding behind average. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to show up. Every day, sharpen your skills, execute your plan, and let the results take care of themselves. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.